Here we go. So let's see how it's playing out. 1 point down on the Nifty, now 10 points, 30 points, 34 points lower. It is a lower start. It's becoming quite clear, but it's not sort of a washout by any stretch. Tata Motors about 1%. Eternal is slightly lower. The Bank Nifty is absolutely flat. The mid-cap index is totally flat. Actually, before we talk about other stocks, let's just look at some of these names. HDFC, AMC, Nippon Life India, Aditya Birla Sun Life, all the AMC stocks are up between 2, 3, 4, 5% because, as I just explained, the unbundling of the total expense ratio is something which was on expected lines, and the reduction in the base expense ratio is not as big as what SEBI was proposing in October. So that's a relief. Quick check on the broker stocks. Let's see what Novama and Motilal Oswal, etc. are doing, IIFL. All these stocks are also flat, because the brokerage fee cap is about 6 basis points now. So that's how we begin. But yeah, guys, 50 lower on the Nifty for now.
Well, that's right. A few stocks, though, actually from the broader markets are reacting. I think we had some positive news flow on Anthony Waste. So that one, in fact, has opened up with a sharp uptick in today's trading session. Let's get that one up for you on the screen. They've got a 1,330 crore municipal solid waste contract from the BMC, so explains why that stock is doing well. IOC, I think, is seeing a bit of a gash, so let's pull that stock as well up for our viewers on the screen. IOC is a little bit lower. We'll just keep an eye out on that name. What else is moving around? EPAC Durable, well, that's seen some profit taking. Remember, for the week, it's up more than 15%. Misho is flying away as we speak. Equus is up close to 2.5%, and volumes are quite large. Grow, that's higher today. Volume's quite large on that particular one as well. So big uptick is what we're seeing. Tata Motors PV is under pressure. We have a Patel Engineering as well, a little bit lower. But I think we should get Ola Electric as well, because the founder out there, Bhavesh Agarwal, he's gone ahead and sold another 4 crore shares odd. We're waiting by. Hopefully, Bhavesh joins us here on CNBC TV18 to clarify what's the intent. Is he done? Is there more to sell? And what's the outlook with regard to the business? GMR Power, the board has approved a fundraise worth around 1,200 crores via the preferential share issue and warrants. So I think we should get GMR Power as well up for you on the screen. HCL Tech, well, they've signed a multi-year contract with the bank. I think, I'm not sure whether or not, the stock is up close to around 0.5%. KPI Green, some positive news flow. That stock as well, up and about in today's trading session. Large volumes on that one.
Well, Tata Motors CV is having a good start to trade. That's up close to about 2%. The stock is approaching 400 rupees. Today, BofA and JP Morgan have initiated coverage with a bullish call, and their target price is at 475, which means more than a 20% upside from current levels. But outside of Tata Motors CV, sectorally, it's autos which is the biggest drag today, with a fall of close to about 1%, 0.9% lower on the Nifty Auto Index. So Tata Motors passenger vehicles, Bajaj Auto, M&M, all down in excess of 1%. Eicher Motors, Maruti also reeling with some minor cuts. So sectorally, autos is subdued, the top loser. But Tata Motors CV is doing well. HDFC Bank has been a bit of an underperformer. Now, it's open lower, but this week, HDFC Bank has a cut of close to about, I think, 2%, which has underperformed the Nifty, which is down 1%. So HDFC Bank has been a bit of a drag. And Shriram Finance continues to see buying. Yesterday, stock paired some of the gains, but that board meeting is tomorrow, where they will consider a fundraise. And Shriram Finance, ahead of that, is up nearly 0.5%. And IT is having a good day. Maybe we should get the rupee rate. Yesterday, after crossing the 91 mark against the dollar, making a new record, towards the end, there was a sharp rebound. And I think the Nifty rupee closed at 90.38. Well, it's advanced another 4 paise. So it's 90.34 against the dollar rupee. So steady compared to yesterday's level. So IT is having a good day. Infi, Wipro, HCL Tech all up 0.5 to 1%. Tech Mahindra also on the buying list. Signed, we should get that up. But the fact that I think India, it doesn't have that AI trade is working in our advantage today. Just pull up the Asian market picture. You've got a cut of, I think, more than 2% coming through on the Korean market. Kospi is down 2%. Nikkei is down 1.25%. Hang Seng, the Chinese markets, Taiwanese markets, all lower. So they're falling in sympathy with the cuts seen in NASDAQ, what happened with Oracle. But India today is, insulated in that sense. So it's a flattish, sluggish open, but no deep cuts. visible right now.
Yeah. And
Just one correction on IOC. It's gone ex-dividend. So that's why the stock is down. Adjusted for that, actually, the stock will be more or less flattish.
Okay. So that's where we are, right close to the lower end of that trading range. Remember, in the last, 2 odd weeks, the market has traded exactly in this band, 25,700 on the lower side and 26,100 on the upper side. Where does the market go from here? Well,